This video will discuss two sustainable agricultural methods that can be utilized in Namibia to combat food insecurity. These methods are used both on a personal and commercial scale. This video was produced by the Aquaponics Project in association with the Hans Seidel Foundation. Sustainable agricultural methods are needed in Namibia due to its arid and dry climate. In 2019, Namibia faced its worst drought in over 90 years. This drought is creating many issues not only in the agriculture industry, but also within people's daily lives. 70% of Namibians rely on the agriculture industry for their livelihood, which is being threatened by climate change. Crops are suffering from spikes in droughts and floods, and 18% of Namibians are considered food insecure. This is why alternative agriculture is important to explore. Hydroponic and aquaponic systems are viable solutions to the challenges that Namibia's agricultural industry is currently facing. First, let's look at hydroponics. Hydroponics is a method of cultivating plants without soil using only water and chemical nutrients. The first step is for nutrients to be added to the water supply. Then the water is pumped to the media bed. The media bed will fill with water and the plants will absorb the nutrients. The water will then return back to the tank and the cycle continues. Some of the benefits of a hydroponic system are that it provides a higher crop yield with a faster harvest period compared to traditional agriculture. It also works well in non-arid climates, allowing for plants that are not native to a region to be grown. The systems are also easily scaled from a personal to commercial size. The second form of sustainable agriculture that is going to be discussed is aquaponics. Aquaponics is the combination of hydroponics and aquaculture, which is the breeding of fish in a controlled system. In an aquaponic system, it begins with the fish eating food, creating wastewater. The nutrient-rich wastewater is then pumped to the plants where the nutrients can be absorbed. The clean water is then pumped back to the fish tank where the cycle repeats. Aquaponics are wonderful systems because they are extremely water efficient with 95% of the water being reused. It creates a self-sustaining organic ecosystem that is sustainable for the environment, along with being space efficient and relatively low maintenance. Although there are some similarities between hydroponics and aquaponics, there are some key differences to consider. Nutrients in hydroponics come from chemicals put into the water, while in aquaponics they come from fish waste. In terms of crops produced, hydroponics typically produce livestock feed and leafy greens, and aquaponics are better suited for herbs, leafy greens, and fish. Using both hydroponics and aquaponics can provide many benefits to a farmer. The crops produced can minimize the reliance on imports while providing food security for the farmer and their livestock. The crops produced can also be sold at a local market, providing an income. The implementation of both systems are a sustainable way to help improve the food security of Namibia. For further information on the Aquaponics Project, please visit thinknamibia.org.na or contact the Hans Seidel Foundation.